everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mariah Marie and I'm back again with another video. Period.
They say I'm nasty cause I wanna lick. It's your last chance, hit that hashtag, make that ass dance. On your man is off that Xanax, have some drug sex, yeah. Jerky.
And today's video is going to be a vlog. Today's date is Tuesday, January 11th, and it's like 10 p.m. at night. And I have Taco Bell. And I was gonna try the little chicken wings for y'all, but they want to say they don't have them no more. Like, I'm done with Taco Bell, but I just got me a grilled chicken something, and then I got me a mini chicken melt. But the mini chicken melts used to be mini chicken quesadillas. I don't know why they changed the name or whatever, but whatever. Let me try this. I ain't never had this though. What the hell's in here? Doritos in here? I don't know about that. Okay, dear. I had work today, 2 to 10, sadly. But it's okay because this year we working on trying to stop that. Because I'm not going to be working a 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. Good. Not me. Tell y'all. Can't go for that. But y'all, got me some dunks. I got them yesterday in the mail. I ordered them at Flight Club in like December, and they get here just now, so I'm opening it with y'all. And my vanity mirror desk came today, right? And it's a little big, a little heavy. My grandma, I understand my grandma, she ain't pick it up. My sister, she acting like she don't know what to do with it. So I'm like, leave it there. Why y'all even worried about it? They FaceTime me, calling me like they actually finna do something, team up and put it up. No. So I'm like, leave it right there, leave it right there. I'm gonna get it when I get home. Because bitch don't need Nanho. Nanho, I do it on my own. And as I did, I put it in the garage. But I had the little mover thing with me, so I had put that on wheels because that was heavy, but baby, I can do it. Don't play with me. But I'm supposed to be moving, and I'm going apartment touring tomorrow at this apartment that I had. So I'm going to go look at this apartment tomorrow. So I'm going to take y'all with me. But let me eat real quick. Then, after I eat, I'm going to open my dunks with y'all. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. So, y'all, this is the vlog. I'm a little nervous, a little scared. But we're going to open this bitch up. And y'all know I've been wanting these dunks. Because if y'all ain't watched my Christmas wish list video, go watch it because I told y'all about these dunks. Don't act like y'all don't know. For real, act like you know, act like you know, act like you know. You better act like you fucking know. Why is this box a little bit open right here? Don't play with me. Do not play with me. I'm not the one. No, I'm not the one. I'm not the two, but channel 3. I get into the this. That's guaranteed. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. We're gonna do it like this because y'all really gotta see what's going on. This is a little heavy. Okay. Meow. Meow. It ain't even shit right here. Okay, y'all ready? Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. Lookity, lookity. So let me stop geeking like this for real. 'Cause I will. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello? Hello? I gotta try these bitches on. But this is what it is, y'all. I'm gonna try these on because let me find out. Ooh, these. They is not fucking with me, man. They is not fucking with me, man. I'm really going. Wait, I need to take a thumbnail. Hold on, y'all. But I'm finna be there. And yes, I know my hair is not done, and I don't care. But when I get my hair done, I don't say shit. I don't say shit about it. Let me find out. Oh, they put up. They fucked up. These is cold, ain't? Oh, my old wig that I just had in was supposed to be mint green, and it was supposed to go with my shoes, but my shoes didn't come. They kind of go together, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all think I should get my hair reinstalled so I can, you know, do that little look. But I don't know. All right, y'all, we're outside. Period. And it was just 11:11. She gonna stop the car, and I'm finishing making my wish. And I'm like, what? But she was making her 11:11 wish.
I'm like, where am I going?
This way. Hey guys, it is the next day, and I'm currently at the little apartment leasing office thing. Well, I don't know where it's at. I just got here, but I wanted to check in with y'all because I told you I'm gonna take y'all along with me while I'm doing my little apartment searching or whatever. So I have a tour at this apartment at 4:30. I have a tour at this apartment, which is at 4:30, and it's currently 4:20 right now, so I got about 10 minutes. So this is like my first step of me getting my apartment. So let's just see how this goes. Hi.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you.
Okay, y'all, so I just got out the little apartment. Showed y'all a little me walking through it. I like it. The best thing that I like about it is the washer and dryer. But it's $924 a month, and it's not even 600 square feet. So I don't know. It's not off my little list yet. Not off my apartment list yet. Still have many more apartments to tour and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be keeping y'all updated when I tour another apartment. They also have a little workout room, so that's good too. I do want something with the balcony. Look at my dog, y'all. But don't say your good sis ain't put you on. Nutella, strawberries. I put y'all on. Don't knock it till you try it, because I put y'all on. Hey y'all, it is the next day, so I am about to take down my desk because y'all know I got the vanity or whatever. So I'm going to take everything off my desk, and then I'm going to try to take some of it down. And then on Saturday, my uncle is coming to take it down and whatever. And then, but I don't know when I'm gonna get it put up though. I don't know when my new desk will get put up, but I know for now this desk is gonna take it down either now if I know how to take it down or on Saturday when my uncle come. But yeah, if I get it taken down, hopefully my uncle come and put it up, my new desk up instead. But who knows?
Put it out the coupe in the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit the lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get me mad. Just one on stand. Don't fuck around the ground. I'll be sweating. Doing all these shows. I'm in that road. I don't care why. Couple numbers I get paid. Bad little fine. Chillin' on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get shredded. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another. They said that this nigga fucking her. Wanna see me lately. Wanna what?
Hold the fuck on. Pause. Cause tell me why I just found some money. Where did this come from? See, bro, I don't never keep up with my money. This is the fuck why. But I'm on some hot shit. Hold on. Okay, then. Got a little $68. I won't be losing this. Cause don't play with her. Cause don't play with her. Cause don't wait. Oh shit. Cause don't play with her. Cause don't play with her. Okay, y'all, so I took everything off my desk, but I couldn't take this lamp off because it's plugged in behind the desk. So in this drawer, it's full of my clothes that I never wore, like it's still in the packages and stuff. So I gotta find a place to put that. And then I just gotta take everything off. Like, this is my prom dress right here. Trophies. These not even mine. And then all this other stuff, like my waist trainers, the safe. And then this all right here is not mine except that and that. So that's going in the trash. What else going in the trash? Actually, y'all, I'm not even gonna take all that stuff out. I'ma just break down the desk for right now. Like this side of the desk. I got my motherfucking hammer in the bag. Oh shit. I need to be very careful, y'all. Ah. Come on. Come on. Woo! This is dangerous. See? I thought I was gonna die when this happened, but this is progress. That literally just collapsed in front of my eyes, and I thought I was dying. But I'm here. So I'm gonna be back with y'all in like, it's probably gonna take like 30 minutes to an hour, because I gotta do hella shit, and the bitches be lazy, so it might be a break here and there. So I'm gonna just be back with y'all. I'm back. Alright, y'all, so I am making hot Cheeto chicken. Yeah, that's what I'm making. So I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Alright, y'all, so I am done. Look at the chicken. Stop playing with her. Yeah. Okay, y'all, taste test. Yeah, taste test. Now I don't know which one I want to go for. I think I'm gonna go for this one.
You gotta take it off your YouTube.
Take what off my YouTube?
Can you
What?
do that? Do you scratch that part off after you do that?
It just depends how I feel.
Bite it. It tastes nasty.
Woo! Hot. I don't know how the skin gonna taste. It's not bad. It just tastes like flour. It don't taste like. It don't taste hot. I was biting the chicken. Oh, that's fine. Let me wear that ranch at. Okay, y'all, but it's good. I'm gonna have one more bite with y'all. Then I'm gonna watch some Black Ink on my phone. So, yeah. Let me show y'all. It's hot as hell.
Back door.
But yeah. It's good. It's just hot temperature wise. And I didn't really taste the Cheetos sad. Maybe if I should have put some on after as well. But who's this now? Hey guys, it is the next day. And I have a surprise. So, tell me why this is up, period. I don't know why that's there.
What?
I didn't want that there.
What?
Why did you put that right there?
What you mean? The desk?
The rug.
Oh, Vincent did that, girl.
I don't want that right there. So I'm gonna have to move the desk to get that. Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Like, don't mind my room, but I'm gonna be doing my makeup now. Stop playing. So I told y'all I wanted to start doing my makeup. So this is step 1. And oh, look at this. Yes, I'm gonna get like, I don't know if I'm gonna get organizers or something, but I think this is where I'm gonna put like, I don't know. I'm gonna get some organizers, but I think I already got some organizers, so I might use those. I might get some new ones, I might not. But I do got some little organizers. So yeah. And then my money rug, that's getting moved out the way because I don't want it right there. But my grandma talking about I need something for under my desk because it's going to scratch up the floor or whatnot. But who really cares about that?
Hey guys, I'm her sister. Here, baby, go on.
This is the desk.
Girl, but that's the pickle. You can't have that. It's my sister's desk. She's got it. She's starting on her new vlog this weekend. It's called a Bengals vlog. Who does?
No.
Hey guys, it's Maya.
Oh Lord.
This is my dog. And I just sorry. And I just wanted to introduce myself. Hopefully she puts me on there. I got my hair done today. Do y'all like?
See you later.
Hopefully you guys like it.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys my makeup that I got. So the first thing that I got is the Daily Moisturizing Cream. I just got this for like, just to get it. This is not really even makeup, but I just got it. Then this is also not makeup, but this is for makeup. I just got me 2 beauty blenders because my old ones are a mess. And yeah. I got this concealer, Neutrogena. I don't even know if this is my shade. Damn, that just fell. But yeah, I don't know if this is my shade. And yeah, I will hook up my ring light, but it's just, I'm really, you know, just got home and shit. Just got out the shower, so I didn't even feel like it. That's why I don't even give a fuck that I'm on this camera with this because, baby, you're watching me. I could care less. So next, I got this True Match. And then I got another one. And I really need to figure out which one is my skin tone. Like, what do y'all think? I feel like if I mix these together, it will be like a good shade. But I feel like they really not my skin color because this will be too light. This would be like too dark. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Then next, I got the, I don't even know what this is. This might be, this Fit Me Concealer. I think this is old. Did I get a new one of these? Or is this something I already had? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But I'm looking at this like, did I get this? I think I did. I don't know. And then the last thing I got is this concealer. Because the concealer that I already got, I thought that it didn't match. I got these 2 separate dates. These 2. And then first concealer that I showed you, I got this today. The other stuff I got like 2 days ago. So yeah. I'm just so happy. Like, oh, look at this. Hi. So, bitch, come to me for the makeup tutorials. Come for me for the get ready with me's. Come with me for all that because it's here. It's going to be here. Like, period. Get ready with me. I'm finna do one soon, baby. I'm finna do one soon. So, be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. And the makeup. And the makeup, y'all gonna love it here. So stay tuned. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get to my friend's house. But I'm gonna go get some food too. So I might see y'all when I go get food. Hey, so I just got to my friend's house. You know, they're moving in or whatever. One more motherfucker. Like, I got some Ninja Grill. So I'm finna grill pub.
Right. My grandma was talking about what the hell y'all need with all these pillows. I said, my mama gonna walk in here gonna say, what the hell you gonna do with 2 pillows?
This is a workout. I'm putting up this, the lamp, current. I actually wear the scissors. Let me see. Oh, that's what this is for? Oh, baby. They didn't put the wrong person on this project. I ain't gonna hold you. Cause instructions, Mariah, You know. Okay. I do need the knife. You want to pass me this? Never mind. Every time I think I need it, I don't. I might. Heaviest. I do need it. Period. I did that. Watch this. So I'm gonna teach y'all. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do this. Y'all ready? Boom. Damn, I gotta stand up. Okay.
I'm fucking up.
Damn. Is this the last part? Okay, I look what.
Dark skinned little friend named Alicia.
Okay.
Malik.
Now we just need the light bulb. I swear to God, they just loud as fuck. They don't know what they doing. How the fuck? Oh, that's loud. I like that lamp over there that y'all got. That's cute. Does it say floor lamp? Damn. Deasia, since you want to be helping.
This game, bitch. Game, baby, I'm the motherfucking one.
They say one day you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My mama told me. Come on, y'all gotta move your heads like this. No, just your heads.
I got that minute right.
Y'all not even going right. Oh my gosh, y'all done.